Good morning children, welcome you all in our math session. We have completed our division chapter and today we are going to do revision station. Okay, see, choose the correct answer from the given options. Okay, which one of the following shows 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4? Means 12 objects and we have to divide it in 3 objects in each group. So how many groups we will make? 4 groups. So see here, 4 groups, and in each group there are 3 pencils. Yes, this in each group 3 pencils, and how many groups? 4 groups. So this B option is correct. Okay, now 28 divided by 7 is equal to, means we have to divide 28 by 7. So recite the table of 7. 7 1 is 7, 7 2 is 14, 7 3 is 21, 7 4 is 28. So C option is correct. Okay, now in number line, see 10 and we jump 2 steps backward. Okay, how many times we jump? 1 2 3 4 and 5, means 5 times 2, means 10 divided by 2. So 10 divided by 2 is here. So C is correct. Okay, now yes, here 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5. 5 is quotient. Okay, now if 8 9s are 72, then which option is correct here? 72 divided by 8 is equal to 9. Yes, this is multiplication and division fact. 8 multiplied by 70, no. 72 is equal to 9, no. 72 plus 8 is equal to 9, no. So 72 divided by 8 means 8 9s are 72. So A option is correct. Okay, now fill in the box corresponding to the given repeated subtraction. Yes children, we also learn this repeated subtraction in the activity. Yes, 24 minus 6 is equal to 18. Yes, we subtract 6 from 24. So 24 is a dividend. Okay, and 6 we subtract 1 2 3 4. 4 times we subtract, means this quotient will be 4. And which number we subtract? 6. So 6 is a divisor. And what is the remainder? Remainder is 0. Yes, like this you have to complete this question 5. Then which one of the following is incorrect? This is the division. Here are division properties. Yes, when we divide 1 by any number, you will get the number itself, quotient as the number itself, and when we divide the number itself, you will get one answer, and this is incorrect, and this C is incorrect. Okay, now here is a word problem. Rishu made 48 earthen lamps. She packed them equally into packets of 8. Means how many lamps? 48 lamps. And she packet of each 8 each. So what will be the answer? Here word problem. Number of earthen lamps 48 and number of lamps in each packet 8. Now 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24, 8 4s are 32, 8 5s are 40, 8 6s are 48. So here 8 6s are, and this C is the correct option. Okay, next there are some children and some apples. The children should share the apples equally without cutting them. Okay, which one of the following option is not possible? See, some children and some apples, but we have to share the apples equally. Okay children, now see here, if 6 children are there and 18 apples, so we have to divide 18 by 6. So how many apples will come to each? 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18. Yes, so we can divide these apples in equal groups for 6 children. Now here 5 children and 12 apples. If we divide 12 by 5, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, but 12 apples remaining here. Okay, so it is not possible. Now here 9 children and 36 apple. If we divide 36 by 9, 9 1s are 9, 9 2s are 18, 9 3s are 27, 9 4s are 36. So this is also possible. But this 5 children and 12 apples not possible. So this option is not possible. Okay, not possible. Or you tick this. Now here tick the correct one. Okay, see 68 divided by 2. Yes, see here 2 2s are 4 आता है, but 6 is here, means it is not correct. Now here 68 divided by 2, 2 3s are 6, yes it is correct. Here 6 minus 6 0, when we take this 8 down, 2 4s are 8, yes this division is correct. Now here 2 4s are 8, but we cannot divide 8 by 6, so it is not correct. So this B option is correct, children. Like this you have to complete revision station. Now here worksheet, fill in the blank boxes. Okay, 95 divided by 2. So here is 8, means 2 4s are 8. Here in this quotient box 4 will come. Then 9 minus 8 is equal to 1. And you know children, then after we will take this 5 here. Yes. Then here is 4. Here is 15. If we take 2 7s are 14. Yes, 2 7s are 14. Then 5 minus 4, 1. 1 minus 1, 0. Yes. So quotient will be 47. Now remainder is 1 here and quotient 47. Okay. Next one, 820 divided by 6. Here 8 means 6 1s are 6. Okay. 8 minus 6, 2. 2 is already there. We have to take this 2 down. Now we get 22 here. Now 6 1s are 6. See here, here is 8. So we have to write here 6 3s are 18. Okay, because smaller number than 22 is 18. Now 2 minus 8 is not possible, so take 1 from this place. Here we will get 12. Now 12 minus 8, 4. Okay, 1 minus 1, 0. Now 4, and we have to take this 0 here. Yes, then 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 30, 6 6s are 36. Yes, we can take 6 6s are 36 here. Now 0 minus 6 not possible, so take here 1 borrowing, and here 3. 10 minus 6, 4, 3 minus 3, 0. Yes, here remainder is 4 and quotient 136. Like this you have to complete these examples, children. This one, yes, 812 divided by 7. So 7 1s are 7. 8 minus 7, 1 here. We have to take this one again. Then 11, again 7 1s are 7. Okay. So 11 minus 7, here we will get 4. Then we have to take this 2 down, 42. Okay. 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28, 7 5s are 35, 7 6s are 42. Yes, 7 6s are 42. Here 42 and 42, 0. So remainder here 0. Quotient 116. Like this, children, you have to complete this question 1 of worksheet. Okay. Next one. Rohan has 2 packets of marble containing 56, see 56 and 72. Okay. In given boxes. So we have to, he has to distribute the marbles in these packets. Okay. Based on this information, so number of marbles here, then distributed among, if 8 person को distribute करेगा. Okay, so 56 divided by 8, so 8 7s are 56, so share of each means 7 marble here will come. Okay, 7 marbles. Then here 72, and each get 9 marbles. So how many per persons here will come? If 9 marbles eat each person, so how many person? 9 8s are 72. Okay, so 9 8s are 72. 8 persons and each person 9 marbles, or 72 divided by 8 करोगे, then you will get 9. So 9 तो marble दिया है, we have to find out the persons. Okay, now here pick the correct numbers from the figures and fill in the blanks given below. Also verify the formula. See, dividend is equal to quotient multiply divisor plus remainder. Children, here 4 numbers are there, and you know dividend is always larger than other number. So 414 is a dividend. Okay, now see the remainder, which is divisor, quotient and remainder. Yes, see, this 4 will be the divisor, and you know always remainder is smaller than divisor, so remainder will be 2, and this 103 is quotient. Now we have to verify the formula, this. Okay, so here if we take 103 as a quotient here, then multiply divisor, we take here divisor as a 4 and plus remainder 2. Okay, so first we have to do multiplication of 103 by 4. 4 3s are 12. Yes, as it is, and 4 1s are 4. So 412 plus 2. 414 is dividend. See, yes, we take dividend correct. Then divisor 4 as it is, 2 remainder and quotient 103, means our answer is correct. Children, you have to put these numbers in the formula and you have to check your answer. Okay, next one, 6166. So this bigger number is the dividend, 6166 here. Then you know remainder is smaller than divisor, so remainder will come 6. Then divisor if we take 10, quotient 616 आएगा, because when we divide a number by 10, ones place is remainder. Yes, this ones place 6 is remainder and other numbers are quotient. So 616 is quotient, and when we put these numbers in the formula, like 616 multiply by quotient multiply by divisor plus remainder, then you will get dividend. Okay, 616 multiply by 10. Yes, 6160 plus 6 is equal to 6166. This is the dividend. Yes, our answer is correct. Okay, children, like this you have to complete revision worksheet and worksheet. Thank you.